Excuse my messy bed. I have not made it up yet. I just got back from classes. But anyway, y'all, what is up, y'all? I thought that I would bring you all a cooking video for today because I've been telling y'all that I'm gonna cook. Every time I cook, I never pull out the camera and record it, all right? So I'm about to go ahead and make me some meatballs and spaghetti with some salad and some garlic bread. Hopefully we have some good lighting in here, y'all. But this is my pot, my pan. I got the Texas toast right here. And then I got the meatballs and stuff in that bag. I'm gonna take it out in a few minutes. I'm gonna use angel hair. Obviously you use that when you make spaghetti. I mean, I think other people use like different types of noodles, but I'm gonna use angel hair. You know, you need some salt for the water. And then of course you need some marinara sauce. Before I start cooking, I'm gonna just rinse out the pots and the pan. I mean, I already cleaned it, but you always want to just kind of be safe because I'm not the only one that uses these dishes. I almost was not about to have any Texas toast, y'all, because I realized I had left my toaster oven over at my friend's house that day when she was cooking. So went and got it, and now we have some Texas toast. All right, y'all. So I did rinse the pan in the pot, and I put the water in the pot. Okay, there we go. I almost had no food, and I'm really cooking this for tonight, y'all, because I have classes I had my morning class, and now I have like a 3-hour gap. And then I have a 2 o'clock class, and then I have a 4 o'clock class, no, a 5 o'clock class that doesn't get out until 7:30. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm about to go ahead and add the salt to the water. Now, you don't want to add too much. You just kind of, you know, I forgot what the salt does. I think it gives it flavor or whatever. All right, so I put it on 7, and then I'm going to add the noodles. And all you want to do is just kind of break the noodles so that they can fit into the bowl or the pan, you know, whatever you're using. I think that is enough noodles. So right now, I'm gonna put this over the pan because, y'all, this top shrunk. Look at it. This top has shrunk, so I can no longer use that. So I'm just gonna put this over the pot and then let that boil. So now I'm gonna heat this pan up, put it like on 6. Okay, and then I'm gonna wait for this to heat up, and then I'm gonna add the sauce. All right, I'm about to go ahead and get the meatballs. Ooh. All right, y'all, so I have a timer going on my phone for the meatballs. I'm gonna wait to put the Texas toast in here until everything is done because I don't want to burn the Texas toast if I'm too busy trying to, you know, work with the meatballs. And first of all, I just want to know, who was I ducking from? What was I running from? Girl, it's just the smoke alarm. Relax. Nobody is coming to kill you. I mean, I ducked so fast, like somebody was about to murder me or something. I mean, that alarm is very loud and it caught me off guard. So I understand the duck, but then again, I don't because it's like, wait a minute, because you did that too quick, too fast. Like you were guilty of something. Relax, baby. Oh my gosh. At this point, I'm like, why did this happen? Why?
2 hours later.
My ears hurt, y'all. I had to put my headphones on for that. But the alarm is off. I didn't burn anything, but those alarms, I think I told you guys this before. Those alarms, these alarms that we have in our dorms, sensitive. I mean, everybody's alarms are very, very sensitive. And I'm just like, what nothing burning? What nothing burning? It wasn't any like smoke. It was more so like steam. You know, the officer came by, he took all my information that he needed because obviously, you know, when the alarms go off, they have to take the information. And he already knew I was cooking something. But he was like, it wasn't a burnt smell. It was just, the alarms, like I said, are sensitive. But I will come back into the kitchen and show you guys what I've done so far. Um, so the meatballs are done. I just drained the noodles and I put cold water over it. I forgot what the cold water does. Like why people put cold water over noodles. I forgot what that does. But I guess like maybe it helps with the texture. I have no idea. Now I'm about to go ahead and put the toast in here. I'm kind of scared to use this, bro. I'm kind of scared now because our alarm went off already, and I'm not trying to do that again. So I'm gonna be really careful, like really watch this. All right, y'all. So here's the final touch: meatballs, spaghetti, garlic bread, salad with balsamic vinaigrette, and a Coca-Cola. I'm finna smash. Yo, this bust. Like, this food really tastes good. All right, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and eat. No more alarms going off. No more sirens. No more undisturbed noise going off. All right. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'm about to go ahead, like I said, smash this food and then head on to class. You guys finally got the cooking video that I have been stalling on doing for years. Pretty much. Because, like, I keep telling y'all I'm going to do it and I'm going to do it and I'm going to do it. And I don't do it. Every time I cook, I'm only thinking about trying to cook and not trying to cook. I mean, what?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And not trying to to record it. And I was really cautious with the toast. It could be better. It definitely could be better, but I was just a little scared that it might go off again, so I didn't want to take any risk of leaving the bread, well, the toast, the Texas toast in the toaster for too long. But yeah, let me go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love y'all, and let me know what else y'all want to see from me.